Hello and welcome everyone, my name is Sergey Kisimov, and in my channel I like to show a wide variety of different things, product review hacks, and specifically today we are going to be checking out how you can actually go ahead and transfer all the cute little dog pictures or any kind of pictures you actually have on your Instagram account using your actual desktop. So most of the time you have to go ahead and go into your actual phone and post everything up, and this is super annoying. So the first thing you want to actually do is to pick the picture you want to actually use. It's going to be this one right here. So let's go ahead and drag this directly into my desktop, and I just did that. The next thing is to go into your Safari browser, press where it says Preferences, and go all the way down where it says Advanced. In the Advanced features, go all the way down where it says Show Develop Menu in Menu Bar and click on that once. After you do this, one thing I do suggest for you to do is to go ahead and quit your Safari browser, go into Instagram.com, and this is how it normally actually looks like on your browser, and there is no way for you to go ahead and add images even if you want to. Since we actually went and turned on the develop menu, you're gonna go where it says user agent and change that where it says iPhone and press on here. As you press on it, you're going to be seeing something very interesting pop on the screen. You're going to be seeing this screen right there on the bottom that didn't exist before. And in this one, this is actually how it looks exactly on your iPhone. So pretty much what it's doing is tricking the Instagram to think you're actually on the iPhone instead of being on the desktop mode. And because of that, you can click on where it says plus, and after you click on here, you can select the image you want to actually use, press on choose. Since we are at it, let's go ahead and change it to the Juno filter right there. I think this is the best looking one. Pressing on next, and then press on share, and voila, pretty much it's done. It did its job, and that's all you have to do. One extra power tip for you is once you're done, make sure you go ahead and change this right back, the user agent, to be automatically default, which is to the Safari mode. Other than that, it's going to make everything look very weird, especially if you're browsing to different websites. So here it is. It's back to normal, how it's supposed to look like. The second method should work with Chrome or Firefox browsers, and you'll be able to upload either a video or a photo file using this specific method, and it all depends on what kind of web browser you have and operating system. So let's go ahead and do this. The first thing you want to do is to go and right click your mouse button and then go all the way down where it says the following, inspect, and press on here. After you press on here, you're gonna have this interesting looking menu pop up on the side of your screen. So what you will see here is a developer's menu where programmers actually use to debug bugs and other interesting things in the operating system, especially when they create something. So what you're going to be doing next is pressing over here where it says toggle device toolbar, where it's going to toggle this to become a mobile device. Then you're going to be seeing this black hole just pop right in the middle here, and that means you're in the right step. And after you do this, you're going to be pressing on this reload button. It's supposed to actually change. If the reload button doesn't work, just press enter, press paste, and go right into the actual website once again. And then what you're going to actually have is this whole thing is going to change and look exactly as if this is your actual Instagram account right on the actual phone itself, which is kind of cool. So then what you're going to be doing next is just pressing on this plus button right here, and then you're going to be picking the image you actually want to upload. It's going to be this one right here. Press on open, and here we go. All you have to do is press on next, type in the caption, the location, tag people, and then what you're going to be doing next is press on share, and voila, you're done and your job is complete. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you learned something new today, and if you did, make sure to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe and like my channel.